a same way, if I ask you find minimum value, find minimum value of 2x square minus x plus 4. What will be the minimum value of this expression? Simplify the expression such as x power 1 carrying term should be simplified as if it is 2ab format. Are you getting me? If you can simplify it as 2ab format, then definitely you can do this. Yes, what will be the expression value? Minimum value? Pardon? 9 upon 4. Let me to check. This is 2x square, so I can make it root 2x whole square as a to make it to represent it as if it is a perfect square term, that is a square minus 2 into a is now root 2x. So we have to bring b as 1 by 2 root 2, right? Such that 2 root 2 gets cancelled out and we maintain the same value minus x as the middle term. So then b is 1 by 2 root 2, so square of b is need to be introduced plus 4 and then minus 1 by 2 root 2 square. Got it? The overall trick is representing about this middle term, representing about the first term. First term should be whatever is the term of x square, that should be written as something like a square. Okay, so being it is 2x square, so that's why to represent it is a whole square term, I can make it root 2 into x whole square, because square of root 2 is 2 and x square is x square, so 2x square will become 1 0 square this root 2x term. Are you getting me? So from this to this, it will be a whole square format following a minus b. So a is root 2x minus b is 1 by 2 root 2. So it's a whole square of that plus 4 minus 1 by 2 root 2 square means it is 1 by 8, isn't it? Square of 2 root 2 is 4 into 2, that is 8. So ultimately this is equal to root 2x minus 1 by 2 root 2 whole square plus this calculation 4 minus 1 by 8 is 31 by 8. Yes or no? So again, since root 2x minus 1 by 2 root 2, squaring of this can be always greater than equal to 0. Square of a real number should always be either 0 or positive, right? So that's why equal to 0 and positive, these are the possibilities, it can't be negative. So that's why minimum value will be equal to 0 plus 31 by 8, that is 31 by 8 is the answer. Yes or no? Getting me? Yeah, that you have to do, because this first two place, arranging these two place is the most important thing. First one should be written as whole square of something, that is a square, and middle one should be, after knowing that value of a, middle one should be expressed in the form of 2ab without changing the given value. 4x square minus 1 by 2x plus 1. What will be the minimum value of this quadratic expression? Similar type of question, I hope you can solve it. Pardon? Just a minute, check the working. Again, if we solve it as 4x can be written 2x whole square, right? Then minus 2. Then with after rearranging the first term, which is given 4x square, if I write down it is as a square of 2x. So that means a becomes 2x. So that's why 2 into a. But our objective is to get x by 2. And here already we have got the factor of 4, 2 into 2, 4 as appearing with x to represent it according to 2ab. So that's why b should be somewhere 1 by 8. Yes or no? If I'm taking a as 2x, then b must be taking 1 by 8. Then only 2 into 2x into 1 by 8 can become x by 2. Yes or no? Because this given middle term is available as x by 2. We can rearrange it to represent that middle term in the form of 2ab, but we cannot change its value. So value wise it is half of x. So I need to maintain the value of half of x, but maintaining the value I can represent it as if it is 2ab. So in that argument b becomes 1 by 8. So squaring of b will be 1 by 64, means I have added 1 by 64, so I need to subtract 1 by 64. Are you getting this logic? So this much can be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square. This part can be written as a square. Pardon? Because square of 1 by 8, this part is 2ab. So a is 2x, b is 1 by 8. So next part should be b square. So if b 1 by 8 appears as if it is b, so square of 1 by 8 must be 1 by 64. That means 1 by 64 was not available here, but I have added 1 by 64 to match up with the format of a square minus 2ab plus b square, and that's why in the same step I have subtracted 1 by 64. So the first part I can write down, it is 2x minus 1 by 8 whole square. It is 2x by minus 1 by 8 whole square plus 1 minus 64. 1 minus 1 by 64 means it can be written 63 by 64. 2x minus 1 by 8 whole square should always be either 0 or positive. So that means minimum value of the expression, we can write down minimum value of the expression is definitely 63 by 64. Yes or no? Is it okay, Gauravi? Which part, in which step? After this part. Okay, see. 4x square is concerned, I am writing it as square of 2x. That means this is equal to a square. Right? If I want to write down 4x square, in the form of square of a number. So it should be 2x, whose perfect square can be 4x square. So first term with x square, that should be written as square of a number. So this gives me a as 2x, right? Fine. So then the next step is minus 1 by 2 into x. I want to write down this minus 1 by 2x in the form of 2 into a is 2x. Then I should write down something as b, such that overall value of 2 into 2x into b should match up with the value of x by 2 or 1 by 2 of x. So now check it. If I want to compare 1 by 2 of x as 2 into 2x into b, right? Then cancelling x from either side, what is the value of b we should get it here? Is it 1 by 8? So that means the middle term, the term with the power of x as 1, if I want to express it according to the form of 2ab, then now which term has to be written as a, that we have confirmed by taking the perfect square of 2x, so that 2x becomes 1, as 2x becomes a. So now a is known to us. For me, b is unknown. So if I simply, after writing 2 into a has been confirmed, b is yet to know. So 2 into a into b, if I that compare with the given term to whom I am trying to write down as 2ab, from there I must get the value of b. So with the oral calculation, I have confirmed it as b should be 1 by 8. So that's why instead of b, I am writing it as 1 by 8, such that 2 into 2x into 1 by 8. If you simplify this, 2 into 2, 4, 4 to the 8. So ultimately it becomes x by 2 only. So that means it is giving me the confirmation that if a is 2x, then b must be 1 by 8. And once we are confirming b, so next term should be available as b square, such that I can use the formula of a minus b whole square writing, because my objective is to convert x dependent term into a perfect whole square term, so that I can make that argument of that concept that square of a real number can never be negative, it can be minimum 0 or it can be positive. To use that concept, I must be able to represent a part of the expression as if it is a whole square expression. Are you getting me? Yeah, so to use that concept, to use that step, I need to introduce square of b, that is b square, such that a square minus 2ab plus b square will be helping me to rearrange that form, writing it as a minus b whole square, because that is the expansion of the formula a minus b whole square. Is it okay? So that is the reason why after confirming b as 1 by 8, I need to introduce the term which represents square of b. So if b is 1 by 8, then square of b must be 1 by 64. 8 square is 64. So that's why I have added 1 by 64, but it was missing in the given expression. So that's why again in that step of simplification only, I am subtracting also 1 by 64, such that the value of expression remains unchanged. Are you getting me? And maintaining the value of a value of 1 as it is. So then using this much as a whole square expression, a minus b whole square plus 1 minus 1 by 64 on simplification gives us 63 by 64. Are you getting me? Could you follow the steps now? Yes, so this is the way we are getting the minimum value of the expression, which is 63 by 64.